just landing at Fuzuli Airport, one of Azerbaijan domestic airports. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The landing is about to happen. That touchdown. Grrr. 1, 2, go. That's the touchdown. Everyone is now happy. The wings are. So that's Fuzuli. Fuzuli Airport. You can see it over there. Shall take a corner until we reach that area. For now, we the VIP. So that's the landing, the runway.
Oturacağınız yerlerden
my
geçirin
neighbor
şahsi
here.
eşyalarınızla ve With your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check around your seat for any personal belongings you may have brought on board with you, and please use caution when opening overhead compartments. If you require any Kanallar seyrediğin dayanacakta tam dayanmamış. Not yet reached our final parking.
So it's time to move. People picking their luggage, not baggage, but luggage. So to Fuzuli Airport, International Airport. So hapa kuna wenzangu pale. So hapa we have a media briefing with Met again. So we'll have our bags later. Where is Hikmet?
Here.
Oh, we were with him last time and took a selfie. So hapa tuko na ule mjamaa tulikuwa na selfie naye last time.